Hello students, welcome to the third session of computer application. In previous sessions, we have studied functionality of computer, features of computer, advantages of computer, disadvantages of computer, and what are the role of computer. So in this session, we will study the components of computer system. So let's start with this session. So the first component is input. The second one is ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit. Next one is CU, that is control unit, and combination of ALU and CU is called CPU, which is central processing unit. Next one is MU, that is memory unit, and the last one is output unit. So now we will discuss each one of these in detail. So the first one is input unit. Input devices are used to provide or supply the data to CPU for processing. Data can be converted into computer acceptable form. It accepts the instruction from the external sources. For example, keyboard, mouse, mic, scanner, etc. Next, we will discuss about CPU, that is central processing unit. The CPU is called as heart of the computer. There are two units, that is ALU and CU, that is arithmetic and logical unit and control unit. Now we will see main task of CPU. The first one is fetch the instructions. Fetch the information or data stored in memory. Second one, decode the instruction. Fetches data can be converted into computer acceptable form. The third task is executes the instruction. After decoding, the computer understand the operation to be carried out. Next, we will discuss about the arithmetic and logical unit. ALU is the brain of computer where actual calculations are performed. Arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations such as greater than, less than, or equal to are performed in the ALU. Next one is control unit. Control unit decides the sequence of operations to be performed. It coordinates the flow and execution of data. It does not perform any processing task but controls all the units of the system. Next, we will discuss about the MU, that is memory unit. It is used to store data, instruction, fully or partially processed data. Memory unit is made up of number of memory locations. Each memory location has a location number called memory address number. There are two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. and the last unit is output unit. This unit supplies information or result of computation to the outside world using output devices. Output unit is used to convert coded data into human acceptable form. For example, monitor, speaker, printer, etc. So basically, computer takes input, then process the data and finally produces the output. So this is the block diagram of computer system. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will discuss about the memory and different types of memories.